In this video, I will help you fix cellular data not working on your iPhone. A network glitch, incorrect settings or SIM issues can cause network issues on your iPhone. So let's go through a few simple ways to fix it. First, check if your data plan is active. Sometimes cellular data stops working simply because the mobile plan expired or the carrier has temporarily disabled internet access. You can quickly confirm this by checking with your carrier or by looking at your account app. If your plan is active, move to the next fix. Next, try turning airplane mode on and off. This refreshes your network connection. Open Control Center and turn on airplane mode. Wait about 10 seconds, then turn it off again. Your iPhone will reconnect to the network and in many cases, cellular data will start working again. Another thing to check is which SIM is used for mobile data. If your iPhone has dual SIM or eSIM, it may be using the wrong SIM for the internet. Open Settings, scroll down and tap on the mobile service. From here, tap on the mobile data options. Now tap on the voice and data and make sure the correct SIM is selected for data usage. If the internet works on some apps but not others, check cellular data permissions for apps. Open Settings, tap on the mobile service, scroll down to the list of apps and tap on the Show All option. From here, make sure the apps you want to use have cellular data enabled. If the toggle is off, that app will not use mobile data. If you're traveling or outside your normal network region, you may need to turn on data roaming. Open Settings, tap on Mobile Service, tap Mobile Data Options, then Enable Data Roaming. Just make sure your carrier plan supports roaming so you don't get extra charges. Another setting that can affect speed is low data mode. When this mode is enabled, your iPhone reduces internet usage and background activity, which can make the internet feel slow or not load properly. To check this, open Settings, tap Mobile Service, tap Mobile Data Options, then open Data Mode and make sure low data mode is turned off. You can also try manually selecting your network. Normally, the iPhone selects the network automatically, but sometimes it connects to the wrong one. Open Settings, tap Mobile Service, tap Network Selection, turn off Automatic, then manually choose your carrier network. If none of these fixes work, try removing and reinserting the SIM card. This refreshes the connection between your iPhone and the carrier network. And if the problem still continues, you may need to contact your carrier or Apple support to check for network issues or SIM problems. Quick recap. If cellular data is not working on your iPhone, check your mobile data plan, turn airplane mode on and off, select the correct SIM for data, enable cellular data for apps, turn on data roaming if needed, disable low data mode, select the network manually. One of these fixes usually restores your mobile internet. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. And if your iPhone data is still not working, tell me in the comments and I'll help you fix it.